weather joining us now. Craig has how much longer the weather will cause some problems for those holiday travelers.
Oh, it's going to be tough tonight through tomorrow, especially from that system, Riel, and I'll show you what's going on, especially from the southeast all the way up to the Great Lakes, the Ohio Valley. Let's go with the satellite radar composite right now. As we look at that system, especially right over Texas, it slowly moves off to the east. So tomorrow, it looks like, and tonight, most of the heavy snow will be from Dallas up in through, say, Nebraska. Lots of rain up through Chicago, Atlanta, freezing rain as well. Snow for the Pacific Northwest and the Northern Rockies, as well as rain for San Diego. I want to show you another very interesting map. Look at all of the watches and warnings across the lower 48. Give you a better perspective of what's going on. I'm going to show you this area here. A couple of them I'll highlight. The first will start off with red, and that area there is a tornado watch through 10 p.m. tonight. The next area I'll highlight will be all of the green. Those are flash flood warnings through 10:30 tonight, this evening. Next area just east of Albuquerque over into the Texas Panhandle. Yeah, blizzard warnings through Monday morning. And then finally from Omaha all the way down into El Paso or close to there and up to the Great Lakes, winter storm warnings in place through Monday at 6 p.m. Riel, we'll also talk about the rain coming into California. It does include San Diego. That arrives tomorrow. I'll have that for you in a moment.
Okay, Craig, we'll wait for that.